it more beautiful with your involvement, sir. Ignacio, please come. Very good, nice. On behalf of all the football lovers of Vasco, and something special from Shikit, yes?
Yeah.
And all the way from Portugal. Very nice. Especially for Chauvel. Very nice. Chauvel, Uttara, what do you like to say?
Thanks.
Sovereign, Garden, Joe Boring Korum Bank, Soda, or some hours to birthday at that, among them more Dakota, Aramon, Sodans, Babicate, Rabata, Nama, or some Joe Boring, and Sodans, Bumbo Soda, Yusuf Kenna, Yusuf Soda, Joe Boring Korum.
Thank you.
Now the one.
Yes.
आज उन्होंने पूर्वी आमच्या मिस्टर बेर्नार्डिनो वेल्या काय तो होता तो फुटबॉला पासत आता तेजी सेकंड डिविजन टिमा अंडर 14 टिमा दोन टिमी आहाय प्लेयरां पयलो मिस्टर वेल ग्राउंडार आसता जावं कासाले जावं बिट्स पिलांनी सांकवार जावं चित्रलाग मैदान जावं चिखले प्लेयर पावनाय पूण आमगे मिस्टर वेल रेडी थिंगा येन आसतो बसून आसलो खंय पावले आजून येयलो नाय मरे कार्ड हुंय ट्री जर्सी हुंय बोर्ड करता सगळ्यांक Mr. Well, at this age also he makes it a point to come for each and every game. He is specially seen for the Goa Professional League at Tilak Maidan. Always around, he'll give his talks and then at the end of the match he'll go. This is our Mr. Well. This is a token of love from all the football lovers of Mormugaon. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Now we'll have a just